Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Trade account. First, visit the Trade website or download their mobile app to begin the process. You'll need to provide some basic personal details, like your name, address, and social security number. Next, choose the type of account that best suits your investment goals, whether it's a brokerage account or an IRA. This initial setup is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Once you've entered your personal information, Trade will guide you through selecting your account type. You can choose an individual brokerage account, a retirement account like an IRA, or even a joint account. Carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy. After confirming your details, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions to proceed with your application. This step is crucial for compliance. With your account application submitted, the next step is funding your Trade account. You can easily link your bank account for electronic transfers, which is often the quickest method. Other options include wire transfers or mailing a check. Be aware of any minimum deposit requirements for the specific account type you've chosen. Many accounts can be opened with a small initial deposit, sometimes as low as $500, making it accessible for many investors. After funding, your Trade account will typically be approved within a few business days. Once approved, you can log in and begin exploring the platform's extensive investment tools and resources. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the trading interface and research options. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources to kickstart your investing journey. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.